Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure your earbuds are charged and placed in pairing mode. For most earbuds, you just need to open the case and press the pairing button until the light starts blinking. Now, on your laptop, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Devices, then select Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth. Your laptop will begin searching for nearby devices. When your earbuds appear in the list, click on them. Wait a few seconds while the laptop connects. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message and your earbuds will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth earbuds to your laptop in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.